This is Rana Aidel, interior designer from IKEA.
Hey everyone, it's Asif Iqbal and I'm working here as a sales team leader.
This topic is about temperature and how it plays an important role when it comes to the quality of sleep. Did you know that in order to feel better, the recommended temperature while sleeping is 16 to 18 degrees centigrade? And as we all sleep differently, everyone has a different ideal sleep temperature and our preferences may change as we grow older.
Here we have the Jan Braka and Smaspore. The benefit of the quilt, like you can use throughout the season. The material that we have used for the Jan Braka is lyocell, that is natural. It is very comfortable for the sleeper to enjoy sleep better.
And in order to suit their sleep style, they have this ergonomic pillow, which is memory foam and it has a cooling gel. It's easily tucked in this pillow cover.
The shape of that pillow, it's natural and practical because once you will take through your neck and the shoulder, it just fits. It gives you very comfortable feelings.
While chilling at night and reading a book, you can cover up your shoulder with this throw, Ingram throw. It's very soft and at the same time you can use the Lude sheepskin under your feet. It gives you this warmth and this winter feeling. It's very cozy and it's very soft under your feet. Thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoyed the video about temperature and how it's really important for the better quality of sleep and have a good sleep.